Hello everyone, welcome to Catch Upon English. Let's start the video and learn some new sentences. मुझे कुछ खाने का मन नहीं करता. I don't feel like eating anything. I don't feel like eating anything. वो बेहद कमज़ोर हो गई है. She has become very weak. She has become very weak. तेज बुखार के कारण वह बेहोश हो गई थी. She had become unconscious due to high fever. She had become unconscious due to high fever. उसमें तो बात करने की ताकत भी नहीं बची है. She doesn't even have the strength to talk. She doesn't even have the strength to talk. कौन कहता है तुम खूबसूरत नहीं हो? Who says you are not beautiful? Who says you are not beautiful? अगर मुमकिन हुआ तो मैं तुम्हारे घर आऊँगा. If possible, I will come to your house. If possible, I will come to your house. बहुत हो गया, अब रोना बंद करो. It's enough. Now stop wailing. It's enough. Now stop wailing. कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं कि वह एक ईमानदार इंसान है. Needless to say that he is an honest person. Needless to say that he is an honest person. क्या आप पहले नहीं बता सकते थे? Could not you told before? Could not you told before? प्रदर्शनी 10 दिन पहले ख़त्म हुई थी. The exhibition had ended 10 days ago. The exhibition had ended 10 days ago. ज़्यादातर लोग सिनेमा के शौकीन होते हैं. Most people are fond of cinema. Most people are fond of cinema. कमरे में हर चीज़ धूल से सनी हुई थी. Everything in the room was covered in dust. Everything in the room was covered in dust. उसने उनकी बात नहीं मानी. He did not listen to them. He did not listen to them. यहाँ आपको रहने खाने की सुविधा मिलेगी. Here we will get accommodation and food facilities. Here you will get accommodation and food facilities. आपकी घड़ी मेरी घड़ी से बेहतर है. Your watch is better than mine. Your watch is better than mine. तेरे और मेरे बीच कोई राज नहीं है. Between you and me there is no secret. Between you and me there is no secret. उन्होंने मेरे स्कूल की फीस भरने पर जोर दिया. He insisted on paying my school fees. He insisted on paying my school fees. मैं उसकी बातें समझ नहीं पाया. I could not catch his words. I couldn't catch his words. मुझे नहीं लगता कि बारिश होगी. I hardly think it will rain. I hardly think it will rain. उसने मुझसे झगड़ा मोल ले लिया. He picked a quarrel with me. He picked a quarrel with me. ये काम कोई नहीं कर सकता. Nobody can do this work. Nobody can do this work. वह ऐसे भाग रहा है मानो वह पागल हो. He is running as if he were mad. He is running as if he were mad. वह जल्द ही घर लौटेंगे. He will soon return home. He will soon return home. मेरे लिए वहाँ जाने का कोई कारण नहीं है. There is no reason for me to go there. There is no reason for me to go there. मैंने नाश्ता नहीं किया है. I have not had any breakfast. I have not had any breakfast. मुझे काम करने से मत रोको. Do not prevent me from working. Do not prevent me from working. थोड़ा सा पैसा ना होने से बेहतर है. A little money is better than none. A little money is better than none. कुछ ही वर्षों में वह सबसे अमीर बन गए. In a few years he became the richest. In a few years he became the richest. दोनों में से कोई भी अपना काम पूरा नहीं कर सका. Neither of them could finish their work. Neither of them could finish their work. मैं 3 सप्ताह से बीमार हूँ. I have been ill for 3 weeks. I have been ill for 3 weeks. तो ये थे सेंटेंसेस. आई होप कि वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी तो प्लीज़ एक लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और नोटिफिकेशन बेल को प्रेस करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन टेक केयर. बाय बाय. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.